ازيكم عاملين ايه؟ النهاردة جايبلكوا اسئلة جديدة ومتنوعة عن الليسن بلان وشاملة تقريبا، وان شاء الله يعني هتلاقوا منها حاجات في الامتحان او شبهها. وكمان في اسئلة تانية برضو مميزة. يا رب الفيديو يعجبكم. مفيش شرح علشان بس اختصارا لوقت الفيديو، وعشان يكون في اكبر قدر من الاسئلة الممكن عشان خاطر استفادتكم. ما تنسوش اللايك والشير والاشتراك للناس اللي لسه مشتركتش.
1. A small unit or units of the subject matter which a teacher plans to teach in A. Definite period is A. Lesson plan. B. Micro-teaching. C. Diagnostic testing. D. Remedial teaching. Answer A. 2. Lesson plan is A. Acquisition of information. B. Small units/units of the subject matter which a teacher teaches in a definite period. C. The task of preparing students for future. D. Improvement of teaching learning. Answer B. 3. The teacher of every school should prepare a lesson plan for A. 5 or 10 to 15 minutes. B. 30 or 35 to 50 minutes. C. 1 to 2 hours. D. 2 to 3 hours. Answer B. 4. The development of lesson planning occurred as a result of A. Behaviorism. B. Functionalism. C. Psychoanalysis. D. Gestalt psychology. Answer laughing face. 5. Lesson planning means A. Development of skill. B. Habit formation. C. That detailed description which a teacher completes in a definite period. D. Practice and experience. Answer C. 6. In preparing lesson plans, the teacher presents new knowledge as the basis of A. His achievement. B. Pupil's health status. C. Principles of teaching. D. Previous knowledge of the pupils. Answer laughing face. 7. In a lesson plan. A. The subject matter becomes limited. B. Objectives cannot be fixed. C. The teacher's and pupils' activities cannot be pre-decided according to the class level. D. The teaching strategies cannot be decided beforehand. Answer A. 8. While preparing a lesson plan. A. The learner should divide the topic in one or more units. B. The learner should point out the teacher's weaknesses. C. The teacher should divide the topic in one or more units. D. The teacher should point out the learner's weaknesses. Answer C. 9. In order to create attraction and interest in the lesson. A. The teacher is occupied with students' problems. B. The teacher is free to make changes in the lesson plan. C. The learner decides what strategies and instruments to be used. D. The learner evaluates the teaching tactics and techniques used by the teacher. Answer B. 10. The teacher should write a lesson plan in detail. A. In the classroom. B. while giving a presentation. C. After final examinations. D. Before commencing the task of teaching. Answer laughing face. 11. A scaled-down teaching encounter in class size and time is known as A. Micro-teaching. B. Lesson plan. C. Remedial teaching. D. Diagnostic testing. Answer A. 12. Micro-teaching is A. A. Device. B. Method. C. Scaled down teaching. D. Law. Answer C. 13. A systematic training to provide feedback to teacher-trainee for the modification of teacher behavior is A. Remedial teaching. B. Diagnostic testing. C. Micro-teaching. D. Lesson planning. Answer C. 14. The aim of micro-teaching is A. To create simulated situations. B. To strengthen educational institutions. C. To modify student behavior. D. To modify teacher behavior. Answer laughing face. 15. In micro-teaching, a pupil teacher teaches a short lesson to A. Large group of pupils. B. Small group of pupils. C. The whole school students. D. The school administrators. Answer B. 16. Micro-teaching is a scaled-down teaching encounter to reduce the duration of period of A. 5 to 10 minutes. B. 30 to 50 minutes. C. 1 to 2 hours. D. 2 to 3 hours. Answer A. 17. Micro-teaching as a training technique involves 3 phases. They are A. Knowledge acquisition, skill acquisition, and transfer. B. Preparation, orientation, and selection. C. Presentation, observation, and discussion. D. Replanning, reteaching, and evaluation. Answer A. 18. 18. In micro-teaching, the student teacher plans a short lesson in which he can A. Learn a new skill. B. Develop a new opinion. C. Acquire a new knowledge. D. Practice a particular skill. Answer laughing face. 19. A micro-teaching cycle used to practice a teaching skill consists of A. Teaching, planning, feedback. B. Planning, feedback, teaching. C. Planning, teaching, feedback. D. Teaching, feedback, planning. Answer C. 20. Micro-teaching can control the practice by A. Knowledge acquisition. B. Observation. C. Feedback. D. Orientation. Answer C. 21. A diagnostic test is a tool used by teachers A. To identify students with special needs only. B. To give information to the students. C. To prepare extra classes for examination. D. To evaluate students' prior knowledge of a particular subject. Answer laughing face. 22. Diagnostic testing is usually done. A. After the end of the school year. B. Before the start of a new unit of study. C. Before giving assignments to the students. D. After finishing final examination. Answer B. 23. The purpose of diagnostic testing is A. To motivate the student. B. To find out the particular problem faced by the student. C. To make the student understand the subject matter. D. To control the behavior of the student. Answer B. 24. Diagnostic tests help teachers diagnose the needs of the students. A. To meet their instruction needs. B. To pass in their examinations. C. To retain whatever is learnt. D. To survive. Answer A. 25. Diagnostic tests are those which help the teacher. A. To improve his teaching skill. B. To measure the achievement of the student. C. To know the family background of the student. D. To know the particular strength and weakness of the student. Answer laughing face. 26. A test which is designed to reveal specific weakness or failures to learn in some subject of study is known as A. Achievement test. B. Attainment test. C. Prognostic test. D. Diagnostic test. Answer laughing face. 27. A diagnostic test is useful if a teacher uses it. A. Every month. B. Once throughout the school year. C. More than once throughout the school year. D. Every week. Answer C. 28. Diagnostic tests are also known as A. Analytical tests. B. Attainment tests. C. Achievement tests. D. Prognostic tests. Answer A. 29. A diagnostic test measures where a student is in terms of his A. Habit. B. Knowledge and skills. C. Physical fitness. D. Attitude. Answer B. 30. A diagnostic test should identify A. The school curriculum. B. Teacher efficacy. C. Next steps for the pupil. D. Teacher competency. Answer C. 31. An educational instruction which is usually organized to eliminate the influences of defective teaching and learning which a child gains during his starting days of learning is called A. Remedial teaching. B. Micro-teaching. C. Lesson planning. D. Diagnostic testing. Answer A. 32. A remedial teaching is one that is meant to A. Improve study habits. B. Rectify a particular problem area in a student. C. Identify special learners. D. Evaluate the achievement of a student. Answer B. 33. Remedial teaching is also known as A. Special education. B. Technical education. C. Compensatory education. D. Learning by doing. Answer C. 34. Remedial teaching indicates A. Elimination of attitudes. B. Elimination of skills. C. Elimination of habits. D. Elimination of drawbacks. Answer laughing face. 35. The function of remedial teaching is to A. Solve the problem faced by the teacher. B. Recondition habit and skill. C. Encourage teaching profession. D. Modify teacher behavior. Answer B. 36. The remedial teaching is followed. A. After actual classroom teaching. B. Before actual classroom teaching. C. Before the beginning of a new lesson. D. During actual classroom teaching. Answer A. 37. The first step in remedial teaching is A. To give instructions. B. To identify poor students. C. To locate the learning difficulties. D. To use appropriate strategy. Answer B. 38. After identifying the poor students, the next step in remedial teaching is to A. Prepare remedial instructions. B. Remove the learning difficulties. C. Locate the learning difficulties and its causes. D. Provide suitable strategy. Answer C. 39. After teaching in remedial teaching, a test is administered. A. To ascertain how far learning difficulties could be removed. B. To identify poor and slow learners. C. To discover the causes of learning difficulties. D. To develop instructions. Answer A. 40. Remedial teaching aims for A. Feedback. B. Identification of a particular strength of a child. C. Modification of student behavior. D. The correction of errors in learning. Answer laughing face. Laughing face.